everyone, welcome back to my channel. Nails are having a moment, a bigger moment than they have ever had. They are becoming more relevant, more popular, and they are finally getting the attention that they have always deserved. So if you're someone who likes to polish your nails, dabble with all the fun colors, or if you're more a neutral girly, this video is for you. Today I'm going to be sharing 3 things that you can start doing right now if you're not already to make sure that you have the best nails of your life. If you're someone who likes shorter looking nails, or if you want to grow them longer or stronger, these tips apply to all scenarios. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. If you've been on TikTok or social media this summer, you know that the clean girl nail trend has been thriving. It has been so prominent across all of the platforms. In addition to that, the naked nails summer and the quiet luxury aesthetic all kind of play a role into the latest obsession with caring for our natural nails. So a lot of women are stepping away from the dip, the gel, the acrylics, the tips, and they're moving more towards a natural, simple, basic look. Myself included. I have been very much into the clean girl nail trend this summer. I don't typically like to go completely naked, although right now I am, which is what inspired me to film this video. And I'm honestly shocked by the amount of success I've had growing out my natural nails and how much I really like them being naked. I can't even believe this is me. If I can do this, you totally can too. All right, my first step for achieving your best nails ever is to make sure that they're clean. Keep them clean. Wash your hands and wash your nails. Use an orange stick to remove any dirt that may be under the tips. Use a nail brush to do the same. Whether your nails are bare or polished, you should always be keeping them clean. If you don't have any of these tools, you can also use a Q-tip. You could even use your other fingernails to remove any dirt or debris that may be stuck under there. This is super important not only for the health of your nails, but for the appearance of them as well. Number 2, invest in a strengthening base coat or any kind of base coat that encourages a healthy nail plate. There are so many on the market. A few that I would like to recommend are the OPI Nail Envy line. Their original Nail Envy formula is kind of like a clear, milky formula, but they recently came out with a line of pigmented OPI Nail Envy polishes. So there's pinks, there's blues, there's reds, there's creams, there's all different kinds to kind of cater to anyone who may be looking for those strengthening properties without the clear look. I've used a few of them and I absolutely love them. OPI also just came out with their Repair Mode, which is a bond building nail serum and something I'm going to use later today. You can use it up to twice a day. It repairs nail keratin up to 99% and you use it for up to 6 days. It's the first technology of its kind to penetrate the nail and build new bonds from within, which results in smoother, stronger nails that are resistant to breakage. London Town also has a couple lines of excellent base polishes. Their nail concealers and their nail veils are 2 of my favorites that are on the market right now. Those as well are tinted, so you can get a little color if that's what you're looking for. But any of these polishes, and there are so many more out there, are going to help to strengthen and moisturize your nails and of course make them more resistant to breaking, which is what we want. So keep your nails clean and keep a good strengthening base coat on hand. My third and final tip, which is probably my favorite, and it's gonna come to no surprise, that is to use a cuticle oil. It doesn't even necessarily have to be an oil. You can use a balm or a serum, but use something on the daily that is going to tend to your cuticles specifically. I saved this for last because it is by far the most important and I can sing the praises of cuticle oil all the live long day. The list is a mile long. The cuticle oil helps to improve the health and appearance of your nails. It increases circulation around the nail and stimulates growth. It nourishes dry skin and prevents hangnails. It helps to keep your nails stronger and more flexible, which in turn makes them more durable. You do want your nails to have just a little bit of flexibility. And if you choose to paint your nails, it helps to protect the polish. You can use it whenever you want. I like to use my cuticle oil in the morning before I go to bed and randomly throughout the day. Usually anytime I wash my hands, I'll apply cuticle oil immediately afterwards. And most times, the second I get in the car, I keep a bottle in my glove compartment. I'll apply some oil to my nails before I put the car in drive. I find that this is a really great time to do it because as you're driving, your nails are just drinking up all of those properties and being treated. Also, I find that when I'm driving, I tend to look at my nails a lot because they're right on the steering wheel. So if they look really dry and thirsty, it's nice to take care of that beforehand. So I can have a nice drive with some fresh fingers. Like I mentioned before, there are all types of cuticle products. There's oils, there's balms, there's serums, and there are so many different ways to apply them. There are brushes, there are pens, there are eyedroppers, there's pom-poms, there's pods. Personally, I like my oils in a bottle. My favorite is Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. That is my line. I've used so many over the years and I've really enjoyed a lot of them, but last year year, I launched my own cuticle oil, Sweet Almond, which is by far my favorite. I took a long time developing that formula, making sure it had all the properties that I wanted, all of the ingredients that I loved, kind of combined from all my favorite products. And I find the combination just works fabulously for my nails, and I couldn't love it anymore. Whatever type of applicator you use, whatever type of oil you use, make sure you're using one because it's going to make all the difference in the health of your nails and give you those dream nails you've always desired. But that is it for this video. Those are the top 3 things you can start doing right now to grow and to maintain the nails of your dreams. I'm still so shocked that these are my natural nails. They've come a long, long way, and I'm so proud of them. Right now, they're completely bare. There's nothing on them, not even a strengthening base coat. I am gonna go put that on right now though, but I wanted them to be totally naked for this video so that you could see that it is completely possible. But that is it for this video. Those were my top 3 tips, but I would love to hear yours. If you have 3 tips for growing longer, stronger, healthier natural nails, please leave them in the comments so we can all check them out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!